Look, I probably shouldn't be sharing this online, but there's a weird little blueprint that's helping regular people lock in $10,000 in equity and $300 of monthly cash flow in their first 45 days of real estate investing. And yeah, that sounds like typical internet marketing BS, but stick with me for like just 2 or 3 minutes because I'm going to show you exactly how it works. But here's the thing. Most people who try investing in real estate, they end up failing miserably. And it's not because they're not smart or they don't work hard enough. It's actually because they're working too hard at doing all the wrong things. Like, for example, one, trying multiple strategies at once, or two, chasing down private money, or three, endlessly analyzing properties on Zillow and videos on YouTube and shiny objects in their feed. And four, overall just getting ready to get ready with, maybe casually dipping their toe in the water every once in a while. And just to be clear, this isn't about buying some guru course and being left to figure it out, or cold calling 100 people a day, or begging friends and family for money, or becoming a weekend warrior that never closes deals. Look, I'm not going to bore you with my whole life story, but here's what matters. For the past 14 years, I've been obsessed with one thing, helping normal people actually succeed in real estate. Not the guru stuff you see online, real deals, real profits, like Brad in St. Louis, who closed his first deal in 26 days using this exact blueprint. And Gabe, who closed his first 5 deals in 7 months. And Doyle, his first 3 deals in 6 weeks. Now, I'm not showing you this to brag. I'm showing you because there's a specific pattern to how they did it. The exact pattern that I'm going to show you right now. And here's what's crazy. Most experts won't tell you this, but success in real estate isn't about knowing 100 different strategies. It's about executing one strategy really well. Let me show you what I mean, because I've helped hundreds of real estate investors get to $1 million a year or more. And this is the quickest way that I know that you can do the same. If you want to get there fast, you want one target market, one investing strategy, one conversion method, and one lead source, and then tweaking that, perfecting it for 1 year. And most aspiring real estate investors, they don't do that at all. They've got 2 or 3 different target markets. They try to do 3 or 4 different strategies, wholesaling, flipping, seller financing. They try to buy over the phone and from real estate agents and texting, and they do 2 or 3 different things. They're super confused with their lead sources, and they try to do a little bit of everything. And they change their mind 6 times a year. It's completely confusing, and they end up burning out and going broke. Well, we want one for each. So how do you choose? Well, you pick one target market that you love. Is it convenient? Do people live there? Does life happen there? We pick one investing strategy where we can look people in the eye with confidence, knowing that it's going to get us to our goals. It will get you the results that you're after. And then use one follow-up system that consistently converts conversations into contracts. We pick a lead source that can scale, and then we tweak and refine that for a year. It's called the 5 1s. That's how you do it. Complex fails, simple scales. For example, one of my students focused on just one market, Erie, Pennsylvania, using one strategy, seller financing, with one conversion method, in-person meetings, and one lead source, and networking with strategic lunch meetings. And he closed 3 deals in his first 6 weeks, not to mention millions since. Why? Because he wasn't scattered all over the place. You see, when you join my Jumpstart apprentice program and take on this blueprint, here's exactly what you get. You get your personalized real estate DNA code assessment. This isn't some personality test. It's a deep dive analysis that reveals your perfect 5 1s, your ideal market, strategy, and approach based on your natural strengths. No more guessing or trying random tactics that don't fit you. You get unlimited access to our Seller Sniper lead generation system, the same system that my students used to land 47 deals last quarter alone. This thing is like having a deal-finding radar that spots motivated sellers before anyone else knows they exist. And then our Seller Sim AI practice platform. Look, talking to sellers used to take months to master. This AI system compresses that learning curve into days, maybe hours. You get to practice unlimited scenarios without the pressure. By the time you talk to real sellers, you feel like you've done this for years, and that makes a difference. And then guaranteed funding access. So never lose a deal because of money again. My network of private lenders is standing by to fund your deals. No credit checks, no lengthy applications. If the deal is solid, you're funded. And then expert on-demand support. So never get stuck waiting a week for answers again. While other programs make you wait for scheduled group calls, you get direct access to me with guaranteed 24-hour response time, usually within hours. And yes, I answer on weekends too, because deals don't wait for Mondays. It's like having a veteran investor mentor on speed dial. And here's the best part. My ironclad 45-day guarantee. If you don't secure a deal with at least $10,000 in equity and $300 of monthly cash flow within 45 days, I'll personally mentor you one-on-one until you do, at my expense. Why? Because this blueprint, it flat out works when you follow it. So the total real world value is just under 9 grand, but your investment is nowhere even near that, which we'll discuss on our call. So here's the deal. I need to be super clear about this. This isn't one of those programs where I try to pack in as many people as possible, because I actually work with my apprentices, which means I can only take on about 3 new people this month. And honestly, if I don't find the right fits, I might not even take that many or any at all. That's why there is an application process. So we're gonna hop on the phone and make sure that there's a fit, and I'll lay it out for you. So click the button below to apply for the exact same program that's helped all of these people here secure their first deals in 45 days or less. Now, you might be thinking 45 days sounds too fast. Well, that's exactly why I'm willing to put my money where my mouth is with this guarantee. This blueprint, it works so well that if you don't hit these numbers in 45 days, I'll personally mentor you until you do. Look, here's the truth. 45 days from now, you're going to be somewhere. That's just how time works. You'll either be exactly where you are right now, still watching other people succeed in real estate, or you'll be looking at your first deal with $10,000 in equity, wondering why you didn't start sooner. The only question is, which one do you want? If you're ready to actually make this happen, just click the button below, whatever you see there, and let's talk. All right, take care.